guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're getting something big for the truck, something that I always wanted. I always wanted to get these sunroofs, I always wanted to do double, and today we're headed to Central Valley Sunroofs. We're going to be doing it with him, but we're on our way. I have my girl in the back, she's driving the other car, she's driving the car, but we're on our way. We're like an hour away, and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll let you guys know when we get there. It sucks that I did it, but it's good that I had experience for doing the top with the lights, the starlights. But I'm gonna be getting them done too as well. We'll be going for more starlights, and then the double sunroofs. So hopefully it might look cool. I might like it. I always been wanting that for my truck. So. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated. We're going on the freeway with this windshield all cracked. Nothing major, but we're about to hit the 99. I'm not gonna lie, those 410 gears makes the truck feel like butter.
You made this?
So guys, I had to pull over because my tank, the hose, it popped off, and I had to pull over because it was leaking hella gas. So I had to pull over and tighten it. It took me quite a bit, but I got it. And then the sheriff pulled up too, told me if I was good, but luckily I had a screwdriver, and luckily I fixed it real quick. But we're still on our way. We got like 30 more minutes, and I'll let you guys know when we get there. So we out here in Central Valley Sunroofs with the shop. The truck's right here. My boy, what was your name again?
My name is George, Central Valley Sunroofs. I've been doing it for 8 to 9 years already. If anybody wants a sunroof, message me on Instagram, or my number is 661-370-1159. Pretty good deals, 2-year warranty, headliner.
So yeah, I could hit him up. I'll put his Instagram at right here. We're in Delano. We're in what do we add? You want to say?
We're gonna do 2 sunroofs. We're gonna add a sweat headliner, 550 starlight, and we're also gonna remove the front and back seats and put a new black carpet for you.
So he's gonna be my second sponsor. He's gonna hook it up. JP Performance was my first, and then he's gonna be my second. He's gonna add the double sunroofs with this black suede. He gets a lot of customers, so hit him up. He's here in Delano. But yeah.
This is gonna be the black suede headliner here. And let me tell your subscribers one thing. If you guys mention Swallow Mob to me, you're gonna get a $50 off discount off of your sunroof installment. So make sure you let me know and mention their name, and I'll go ahead and give you guys a discount.
Let me know in the comments or on Instagram if you guys come out here. What should it be, Swallowham or Swallow Mob?
It's up to you, man.
Swallowham, huh? Have my name.
Yeah.
So if you guys mention Swallowham, you guys come out here, just let me know, and then just you guys will have your guys' discount, $50. Yeah, $50.
Yeah,
$50. So
it's gonna be Swallowham.
So it'll be Swallowham instead of Swallow Mob. Yeah. That's gonna be like the code, huh?
Yeah, the code.
The little code. Another customer right here with the red suede, starlights, the red interior. Damn. What do you think? That looks nice?
This interior is very nice actually. Did they do that too?
No.
Did this?
You guys don't do the interior yet, huh? Not yet. So guys, we're headed home already. We're leaving the truck with Central Valley Sunroofs. They're gonna get down. So stay tuned, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. And let's go. No, I didn't leave you in the bus,
That's
bro.
Stop. You better not put that in the vlog.
See you soon, Mama Whiskey. So guys, we're headed home.
To eat? I'm hungry.
To eat?
And oily.
Oily. Guys, there's hella trucks out here. We've barely been here for like a couple 20 minutes. There's hella trucks out here.
Cause you see like 5 trucks.
There's at least I seen at least like 20 trucks there.
Oh fuck!
Swear.
Oh fuck!
They're all talk watches and stuff.
Keeping count,
but it's crazy out here.
I saw like 5
what's his name
trucks.
told me too is that they do meets out here, so they get down.
Oh fuck!
So we can the vanities.
Go in there, see for me.
No,
I still need a vanity.
no. You
The
already
one
got
that I
one.
got is whack.
So guys, check it out. I came to check out the truck before we headed to LA. Here's the truck. So here's I'm guessing mine, but he's almost there. Shop. Oh yeah, getting down, he's getting down. This is how it looks from the inside. This looks good. So check it out guys. It's just hella dirty, dusty.
Weeks later.
So guys, we just got here. The truck's right there.
Okay.
How's it looking though? What is it?
Musty.
Dirty. Hey, relax. Now guys, we're here with Central Valley, my boy here. So he's sponsoring us with. You want to say it or you want to say what you're sponsoring, or you want to say? Alright. So he's sponsoring us with the black carpet, the interior, and then he gave us a good ass discount for the double sunroofs and the starlights. So check it out. He hooked it up with the double switches right here. He got down on the headliner, the starlights. I just gotta take it to a shop just to replace the windshield again because it's cracking more. It's getting worse and worse. So I gotta replace that. And then everything else looks good. Oh yeah, the little A. Yeah, I hit up my boy here in Delano. I gotta wash the truck. I'll probably go take it to get washed. It's just dirty as fuck. But hit him up my boy. He gets down. You do sunroofs, you do
Sunroofs, starlights.
So hit him up.
Your warranties. Located here in Delano, California. Central Valley Sunroofs.
So yeah, hit him up guys. And then he'll get you guys right.
Hey, thank you, Danny.
Yeah, you're welcome. But oh yeah, this shit looks good. Look it from the front. Damn, that shit's crazy. My boy got down. Took some time, but it got down. But how yeah. We'll be back. I'm gonna see you right now in a bit. We're just gonna go eat. We're gonna go eat food and then we'll be back.